Hi everyone. A question came up today regards QR codes. I'm going to show you how to do a free QR code in Excel. There's plenty of other platforms that you can do this on, but I'm in Excel every day, so why not show you one here? Now this is Excel 365, and in the Insert tab there's an Add-ins section here. If you don't have this in your ribbon, you can also go to File, Options, and you'll see an Add-ins section, and just do the same thing that I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to press Get Add-ins. This will bring up a library of add-ins that you can have a look through, but here in the search box I'm going to type in QR code, and this is the one that you want to use, QR for Office. Press Add and Continue, and the generator is here on the right hand side. Now you can do a QR code for websites or email addresses, whatever you want. You just need to pick the right start from this drop down box here. Obviously that one's for email. You've got two options, whether it's a secure site or not. I'm going to choose a secure site, and I'll put in my web address. There we go. And there's your QR code. It's already done it for you. How quick and simple was that? Now the fun thing about this generator is you can change the colors. So the standard is obviously black with a white background, but if you wanted to put this in your brand colors or just go a bit crazy, you can do. You can choose any color that you want, really. You've even got the option of being very, very specific on the color that you want down here. Let me stick with this one here. You can also change the size. You can go, this is the pixel size here, or you can keep it quite small. And also there's an error correction. I usually keep this on medium. I'm not 100% sure what the difference is, to be honest. And that's it. You press Insert and it pops up here on your screen. Now you can save this as a PNG and use it in your presentations or on Canva, or if you're putting together a PDF and you want to put a QR code for other people to scan. This is a really quick and simple way of doing it. I've done this on some flyers. I just keep a record of QR codes that I've got and save the file down. And that's it really. If you have any questions or want to learn any more, give me a shout. Thanks. Bye.